Are you trying to increase your upload limit to a higher value without doing much coding? You're in the right tutorial. I too don't know much coding, but I was able to increase my upload limit from 2 MB, as you can see on my screen, to 500 MB. A maximum upload file is actually 2 MB. Now, I'll show you how to do this without any coding. Let's get started. When we go to our cPanel, you can log into your hosting cPanel. This is mine. Now you can scroll down to the software section. Yeah, this is the software section. We're going to use the MultiPHP INI Editor. And we're going to select your domain. Here's my domain. And this is where we're going to increase our upload limit. This is just basically you adding values, changing the values of this section. Now find the upload max file size. This is here, upload max file. So I'm going to change that to 500 MB. You can see it's written 2 MB here. And also update the post max size. This is it here, to 500 MB also. Now the memory limit should be 512 MB. Mine is already 512 MB. Whatever value is yours, change it to 512 MB. And this ensures your servers can handle large file uploads. To prevent timeout issues, you have to increase the max execution time and also the max input time to 300. Now we are done adding the values. So apply our change. Yes, successful. Let's head back to our dashboard and let's refresh this. And you can see our maximum upload file has increased to 500 MB. We can also check this through the site health. We go to tools, look at the site health. We click on info, we scroll down to server, click on that. Now you can see upload max file size to 500. And that's it, guys. You have successfully increased your WordPress upload limit without writing a single line of code. Now, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more WordPress tips. See you in the next one.